And so I just wanted to show you the amenity center here, which actually they're working on building a second one in Redbird Ranch. But this is kind of like a, there was a little basketball court there, a nice open area, playground, and a pool with a splash pad. I'll take a better video of that here in a second. But very, very nicely done amenity center here. You've got nice mature trees and fun, forgot what those nice pink trees are called, but have them all throughout. That was somebody riding a little mini motorcycle there, but yeah, really nice trees here. Beautiful trees. And yeah, Redbird Ranch is a master planned community, so, and a big community, so this is what you can expect from a community this size. Just very well done. Landscaping, amenity center. A lot of communities now have up to 2 or 3 amenity centers. But yeah, this is Redbird Ranch. With the splash pad over there. A lot of moving water here. And we've got kind of, this is Redbird Ranch Parkway. Oh, well, actually it's not called that, but this is the main entrance road. Main first intersection here to the neighborhood. Yeah, just nicely done. We've got some bushes there that are very well maintained like that. That looks cool. And it's still early spring too, so you do see a lot of nice trees already, but it is barely the beginning of March, so this is gonna look even better. But anyway, yeah, that's it right there.